The following announcement is for all sailors racing with us today. Welcome everyone to race day 3 of Spring Saturday Series 2026. A big thank you to Moana Road and Carlsberg for their generous support and sponsorship. We will be running one island race today. Today's starting sequences and courses will be as follows. Start 1, J80 with Flag Juliet displayed will sail on course 106, 106. Start 2, PHS-A and PHS-B will start together. PHS-A with Flag T displayed will sail on course 106, 106. PHS-B with Flag Q displayed will sail on course 105, 105. No club mark has been laid. A reminder to all yachts, if you hear any unanswered radio calls, please assist by relaying the message to the race committee, as we may be out of range. There will be a results presentation at the balcony after racing today. Have a great race, everyone. 所有參賽船隻請注意，以下係 Hebe-1 司令船一則廣播，重複剛才資訊。歡迎大家參加白沙灣遊艇會舉辦嘅春季系列賽第3日賽事。多謝 Moana Road 以及嘉士伯嘅贊助及支持。今日將會舉行一場環島賽，開賽次序如下：第一組 J80 旗號 J 用106號賽道106。第二組 PHS-A 同 B 會共同一齊開賽。PHS-A 旗號 T 用賽道106。PHS-B 用旗號 Q 賽道係105。今日冇設置會譜，今日係冇會譜。提大家，如果各位收到其他參賽船隻發出嘅無線電呼叫，而未獲得工作人員回應，請協助傳達相關信息，等我哋可以盡快作出回應或者提供所需協助。今日比賽結束之後，會喺餐廳嘅露台有頒獎禮，希望到時見到大家，祝大家比賽愉快。Committee out。